You introduce because then I'm going to say what it is.
Hi, I'm Sage. Welcome back to the Addictive Wellness Channel.
And this is once again...
Wait, tell them your fabulous name.
Oh, my fabulous name?
You have the most wonderful name of them all.
My name is AnnaBlanca. I just like to joke and kid around all the time. So
I do generally think your name is fabulous.
You do, right?
Yeah, that's it.
So my name is AnnaBlanca, and this is the next episode of the Working Relationship Toolkit. And this one we call Be Each Other's Forest Ranger. You never know where inspiration is going to strike you to name or create one more of these systems or hacks that we install in our relationship.
So this one, actually, we got the original idea from the movie Kate and Leopold.
Lid, push the drawers in, close the door, and you push this button. Okay, word to the wise, don't press that till she wakes up, so she sees you doing it.
How clever. The proverbial tree in the woods.
If a man washes a dish and no one sees it,
Did it happen?
right.
So what you have to understand is in that scene, what he's saying is only do something that takes effort in a relationship in front of the other person to make sure you get credit. That's not what we do in our relationship. Don't worry, that's obviously kind of not so great long term. What we do is we are always looking out for things that the other person did, and whether or not we were there to see it live in person, we're making sure to always give the other person credit and gratitude for the good stuff that they've been up to.
It means that if that proverbial tree fall in the forest, my forest, your forest, or life's forest, we are there to witness it and acknowledge it and say, well, not because the forest has fallen. I mean, or the tree has fallen in the forest, because it's not always a
We're
good
not
thing.
against, we're not in support of cutting down trees. But
That's what I'm trying
it
to
just
say.
goes back to the phrase, like the tree that falls in the forest.
Exactly, it just goes back to that phrase. Exactly. Thank you for making sense of
We're
what
very
I'm
much
trying
in
to
support
say.
of keeping all the trees up in the forest.
Exactly. Just be there and acknowledge that something happened, and it is just a practice of living in gratitude.
Yeah, constant
And
gratitude.
Constant gratitude, and it shows the other person that you appreciate them for the smallest things that they do for you, be it in business or in your own life.
And it will actually make you happier in your relationship. And this is because of something called hedonic adaptation. Whatever we're experiencing in life, our brain adjusts to it and get used to it and considers it as the baseline and normal, and that's where we just feel neutral. And so you could be in a relationship with a really amazing person, but you don't focus on gratitude and you hedonically adapt and you just think this is normal and you're not really enjoying it that much. If you focus on things to love and be obsessed about and worship and be grateful for in the other person, that blocks the hedonic adaptation from happening, and so you're going to be a much happier person.
Damn. Showing love and appreciation making you a happier person? This is a win-win all around.
Absolutely. So if you guys do something similar to this in your relationship, let us know in the comments. We're always looking to learn from you guys as well. Or if you're giving this a try, let us know also how it works for you.
Thanks for joining us again. And join us again if you see that the next one is coming up.
See you guys soon. Have a great day.
Bye.